Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 5 best cameras under $1,000, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 cameras under $1,000. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix DMC G7. Essentially a scaled-down GH4, the Panasonic Lumix G7 offers just enough cutting-edge features to compete with today's top-of-the-line DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, while still hitting shelves at an extremely affordable price point. Everything is here, from a great electronic viewfinder to 4K video. If you're looking for a camera that beats the pants off most entry-level options but won't break the bank, look no further. Number 2. Fujifilm X-T10. Borrowing most of its internal tech from the high-end Fujifilm X-T1, the X-T10 delivers excellent all-around image quality for the price. Though it's getting a bit long in the tooth and isn't a good choice for people who prize video quality, if you're just looking for an affordable way to step up your photography game, the X-T10 is worth checking out. Number 3. Sony Alpha A5100. Sony's camera team has been on a tear in the past year and a half, quietly assembling one of the more enviable top-to-bottom lineups on the market. The full-frame mirrorless A7 series won the company a number of awards, but stellar values like the compact A6000 and traditional DSLRs like the A77 II are also strong bets. These are all on top of Sony's best-in-class point-and-shoots, including the RX10 and RX103. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel SL1. Canon's Rebel DSLRs have rightfully earned a reputation as easy-to-use, beginner-friendly cameras. Perhaps none deserves that accolade more than the Rebel SL1. It's also the most compact DSLR Canon has to offer, going toe-to-toe with mirrorless cameras in terms of size. For those looking to wade into the world of interchangeable lens cameras for the first time, the SL1 is a good starting point, even if there's better performance to be had elsewhere. Number 5. Nikon D3300. Nikon's most affordable DSLR holds its own in a sea of high-performance shooters, picking up where the well-received D3200 left off. With the D3300, you're getting a lighter chassis, a 24.2 megapixel sensor with no anti-aliasing filter, and the new XP4 processor. If you've been waiting for an entry-level DSLR that checks all the boxes, it's tough to argue with what this camera has to offer. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So these are the best cameras under $1,000, which you can buy in this year. If you know any other cameras under $1,000, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.